Here in Stockholm, our water seems self-evident, not just in beautiful views, boat rides, and swimming. Stockholm has more than 1 million residents, each of whom consumes 50 gallons of purified water every day. We shower with it, brush our teeth, do laundry, wash dishes, and drink it. Most of us don't think about the fact that there is hard and long-term work behind each drop. It's easy to take clean water for granted, but that hasn't always been the case. Back in the mid-19th century, due to the Industrial Revolution and massive urbanization, there was a reign of filth that led to major cholera outbreaks. In 1855, the city decided to build a water supply network and drinking water treatment plant. In 1861, Stockholmers could, for the first time, drink municipal, purified drinking water. This access to clean water changed the lives and health of Stockholmers. The city continued to grow and evolve. The downside was that the wastewater contaminated Stockholm's water, which by the 1930s resulted in a ban on swimming in Lake Mälaren. The city's first wastewater treatment plant was built, shortly followed by 2 more. The swimming ban wouldn't be lifted until the mid-1970s. Clean drinking water and effective wastewater treatment have played important roles in the shaping of contemporary Stockholm. Thanks to the decisions made in years past, we can now enjoy the world's best water. It's a natural home for the World Water Week and the Stockholm Water Prize. But the work is not over. We face new challenges. In order to allow the city to grow and evolve, we need more effective wastewater treatment, carefully considered rainwater management, and increased drinking water production. As climate change brings more rain and heavier downpours, the risk of flooding and contamination increases. In a densified city, there are fewer green spaces that can absorb the precipitation. But there are solutions. Stockholm is now working to improve the quality of all of its water, and Slussen is being reconstructed to cope with climate change and safeguard the drinking water. It is everyone's shared responsibility to manage it well. Together, we can help protect our water so that our children and their children, generations into the future, can swim and fish in and drink the water that surrounds us in Stockholm.